हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू द सेलिंग स्टडी ग्रुप। और आज हम आंसर की डिस्कस कर रहे हैं ऑफ सितंबर 4 2022 की। इस सेशन में मैं डायरेक्टली आंसर्स ही प्रोनाउंस करूंगा सो दैट यू आर वेल अवेयर ऑफ द योर परफॉर्मेंस, एंड आफ्टर दैट आई विल बी टेकिंग एन एलैबोरेट सेशन ऑन ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट एंड ईच एंड एवरी सेक्शन। तो क्विकली शुरू करते हैं अपने आंसर की के साथ। एनडीए के आंसर की के साथ पहले शुरू करते हैं। जो सेट मैं डिस्कस कर रहा हूँ एनडीए का मेरे पास जो सेट आया है वो सेट है हमारे पास सी सेट। तो सी सेट के मैं आंसर्स आपके साथ डिस्कस करूंगा। सो क्विकली स्टार्टिंग इट। So question number 51 is the protein digesting enzyme secreted by the stomach wall in case of mammal is called. Answer is C, pepsin. Which of the following will be resulted when an animal cell is surrounded by a medium with lower concentration of water? Answer is A, cell will lose water. Question number 53, the digestive enzymes are present in. The answer is C, lysosomes. 54th, after fertilization, the fruit and the seed are produced by. Answer is B, ovary, ovule, respectively. Question number 55, which of the following has initiated nationwide flagship campaign Puneet Sagar Abhiyan? Answer is National Cadet Corps, NCC. B. Which of the following was the host country of the United Nations World Environment Day? Answer is B, Sweden. Which of the following Indian Navy ships were decommissioned in June 2022? The answer is B, INS Nishank and INS Akshay. India signed the deal with which of the following countries to supply MH-60R helicopters to the Indian Navy? Answer is D, USA. With reference to India's defense and the terms Surat and Udaygiri refer to. The answer is warships. Who among the following laid the foundation of the Vijayanagar Empire? Answer is Harihara and Bukka. A. The book Kalyavad Dimna is an Arabic translation of. The answer is B, Panchtantra. Who among the following initiated the Bhudan movement? The answer is B, Vinoba Bhave. Which of the following rivers in India was not crossed by Alexander and his army? Hyphasis is the answer. Who among the following has described the medieval Indian postal system as of two kinds, the horse post Uluk and the foot post as Dawa? The answer is Ibn Battuta. C. Which of the following Harappan sites are fire altars found? Answer is A, Kalibanga. 66. Consider the following statement on the computation of density. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है C3। इनमें तीनों स्टेटमेंट्स करेक्ट हैं। The formation of tors on a small rocky hills associated with which of the following? Answer is A, granite. Consider the following statement about the anticyclones, in which एक स्टेटमेंट इसमें सही है। Answer is A. Which of the following statements is correct? Earth crust is a brittle in nature and mean thickness of earth crust is 15 kilometers. The answer is only 1A. On January 2020, the administration of which of the following union territories has been merged together? Answer is D, Dadar and Nagar Haveli and Daman and Diu. Question number 71. Which of the following statements about metamorphic rock is not correct? The answer is B, where the foliation developed into the broad mineral bands and metamorphic rock is extremely hard. Which of the following discontinuities separates Earth's crust from mantle? The answer is Mohorovic. B. Which of the following cities the world would represent the greatest linear velocity by the rotation of the Earth? The answer is Kampala, Uganda. What will happen if you are flying east across the international date line? The answer is C, you will gain 24 hours. The prime meridian does not pass through which of the following countries? Answer is A, Morocco. Piecing together the puzzle of geological time to create and analyze historical maps of the Earth is known as paleontology. What is the nature of velocity time graph for the car moving in uniform acceleration? It is a straight line. The amplitude of sound waves is measured in the units of. Answer is B, distance. The current of 0.6 ampere is drawn by an electric bulb for 10 minutes. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है C, 360. The DC generator works on the principle of. Answer is C, Faraday law of electromagnetic induction. 81 question. The presence of magnetic field can be determined using which one of the following instruments? The answer is magnetic needle. Which one of the following statements about the speed and velocity is correct? The answer is speed is a scalar quantity and velocity is a vector quantity. Bronze is an alloy of copper and zinc. Which of the following salts does not possess water of crystallization? Answer is potassium and potassium permanganate. Bee sting leaves an acid on which causes pain and irritation. That acid is methanoic acid. Liquid vegetable oils are converted into solid margarine by the use of hydrogen gas. The number of structural isomers of pentane is, answer is 3D 87. 88th question. Vapors of sulfur escaping from the volcano often form a crust and drops. इसका आंसर है आंसर सी deposition. Dry ice is used on a performing stage to produce mist in the air. The process involved is an example of sublimation. 90th. C4H8 belongs to the homologous series of alkenes. 91. Which of the following was composed by Hari Sena? The answer is B. Prayag Prashti of Samudragupta. Consider the following events. Establishment of planning commission and all. इसका answer है C. 4, 1, 2, 3. 93rd question. Which of the following battles could be seen laying the formal foundation of the British Raj in India? The answer is C. Battle of Buxar. 94th question. Where in South India did the British East India Company construct a trading post in 1639? The answer is Madras Patam. 95 question. Which of the following statements are correct? The Dutch East India Company was formed after the formation of British East India Company and Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in 1498. The answer is both 1 and 2. In India, the cultivable land which is left uncultivated for more than a year but less than a year is labeled as C, fallow, other than the current fallow. ये एक 95th क्वेश्चन जो है इसमें 95th क्वेश्चन में देयर इज अ डाउट रिलेटेड टू दिस सो वी विल गो विद बोथ 1 and 2. नेक्स्ट, मेजर पोर्शन ऑफ द ग्रेट आर्टिशियन बेसिन इन ऑस्ट्रेलिया इज लोकेटेड इन द क्वींसलैंड. सी. 98. which of the following statements are correct related to India as one of the longest navigable inland waterways are present? इसके अंदर फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट और थर्ड स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है, सो आंसर इज डी. Match the column. B is the answer. 100. Which of the following statements about earthquake wave is not correct? So not correct के अंदर D. P waves have the maximum area covered under its shadow zone. The commercial unit of electric energy is kilowatt hour, which is equal to 3.6 into 10⁶ joules. Which of the following statements regarding the current carrying solenoid is not correct? Answer is D. If an iron bar is inserted inside a solenoid. 103rd question. The object made of 2 equal parts by volume, 1 part by density. इसका आंसर है 3 by 2 parts. 104th. Pressure cooker cooks food faster by, answer is A, increasing the boiling point of the water. 105th. Which of the following wavelength corresponds to the wavelength of X-rays? The answer is D, 1 nanometers. Electric bulb connected to 220 volt generator. The answer is 132 watts. When the pitch of sound increases, with which one of the following increases? The answer is D, frequency. Which of the following is the correct reactivity series? Zinc, iron, lead and copper is answer A. Which of the following metal floats on the cold water? The answer is C, potassium. Which of the following solution is not capable of conducting electricity? Answer is C, sugar. Two convex lenses have focal length of 50 cm and 25 cm respectively. If these two lenses are placed in a contact, then the net power of this combination will be equal to, answer is +6 diopter. Answer question number 112. Which of the following terms cannot represent electric power in the circuit? Answer is I square by R. The refractive index of the crown glass is close to 3 by 2. Answer is 2 by 3. The volume of a sealed packet of 1 liter and its mass is 100 grams. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर है A. The packet will float in both water and liquid. 115. A simple pendulum having a bob of mass m and length of string L has a time period of T. Answer is T, by under root 2. Which of the following devices the light energy is converted into electrical energy? Answer is C. Solar energy. Which of the following is not a power of Panchayat under Article 243G? The answer is D. Regulation of land revenue. Match the list 1 with list 2 and select the correct answer with respect to Mahamata and function. The answer is C. Who among the following is the author of Haste Yurveda? The answer is A. Palkapya. Which of the following areas was acquired by the British rule under the Treaty of Deogaon? The answer is A. Cuttack. Consider the following statement. Maharashtra state has the maximum share of national highways. The answer is A. Only one. The activities or services focused on the creation, rearrangement and the interpretation of new and existing ideas referred to as B. Quinary activities. Consider the following statements with the उड़े देश का आम नागरिक उड़ान. इसके अंदर आंसर इज सी, both 1 and 2. Consider the following statements. The Shiravati river creates jog falls. Answer is A. Question number 126. Sonar is a device that is used to measure the distance of underwater objects. Answer is C. Ultrasonic waves. Which one of the following statements about the speed of sound waves is not correct? Answer is B. The speed of the sound waves in air decreases. The part of human ear that converts the pressure vibration is called as, answer is B. Cochlea. Which of the following metal is most commonly used for the making of filament of the electric bulb? The answer is D. Tungsten. A bullet of 10 gram mass is horizontally fired. The answer is C. -3 millimeter per second. Microphone converts, answer is B. Sound waves to electrical signals. To help deep sea divers, they carry cylinders of oxygen mixed with, answer is C. Nitrogen. Which of the following compounds undergo the thermal decomposition? The answer is silver oxide and zinc oxide. The transfer of electrical signal by nerve cell in human body is enabled by potassium and sodium. Silver artifact get tarnished in air due to the formation of C. Silver sulfide. Human eye can see objects. Question number 135. Human eye can see objects at different distances with contrasting illuminations. This is due to, answer D. Accommodation of eye. Which of the following hormones increases the heartbeat of mammals? 136 question है ये. Answer is adrenaline. 137. The digestion of fat in human intestine is performed by B. Bile and lipase. 138. Which of the following statements about animal cell and plant cell is correct? Answer is B. Animal cells have only cell wall, is cell membrane, not cell wall. Lymph is a tissue fluid present in the intercellular spaces. It resembles to, answer is D. Plasma. 140th question. The breakdown of glucose in cytoplasm results in the formation of, answer is A. Pyruvate and energy. Rafael Nadal defeated whom among the following to win French Open? The answer is Casper Ruud. E-Sanjeevani, a free telemedicine service of Government of India, was recently integrated with Ayushman Bharat. Answer is A. Question number 143. Which of the following statements about the Shresht scheme launched recently by the Government of India are correct? Answer is both 1 and 2. Question number 143. The recent judgment of the Supreme Court of India directed that every protected forest and national park, इसका आंसर है A. 1 kilometer starting from their demarcated boundaries. 145. Who among the following is the author of the book Tomb of the Sand? Gitanjali Shri is the answer B. 146. Who among the following invented the flying shuttle? Answer is John K. B. 147. Where did Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose announce the formation of the Government of Free India? Answer is A. Singapore. Who among the following introduced the objective resolution in the Constituent Assembly on 13 December? Answer is A. Jawaharlal Nehru. Consider the following historical events: Gandhi Impact, Second Round Table Conference, Peasant Movement in Bardoli, Peasant Movement in Kheda. The answer is B. 4312. And the last question is, which of the following statements about the Union Party are correct? Only first statement is correct according to this. सो दिस वाज आंसर की डियर फ्रेंड्स. नाउ आई होप कि आपके इसमें से काफी क्वेश्चंस ठीक हुए होंगे. दिस इज इनिशियल आंसर की. ऑफिशियल आंसर की का हम वेट करते हैं फॉर लाइक एन ईयर, तो एक साल तकरीबन के बाद ऑफिशियल आंसर की आने की इसकी उम्मीद रहती है. Rest, wishing you all the very best and all the very bright future. Thank you everyone.